Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Febi channel. How are you guys? I hope you always happy and healthy. Okay, today I want to tell you about how to make fried noodles. So, don't go anywhere. Keep watching my video. Next to the material is noodles. Okay, I have a komi. Okay, it's 2 pieces. Yeah. But first, you must to boil the noodles like this. Okay. Next, onion, garlic, and some chili. But if you don't like spicy, don't add chili, guys. Okay. Then vegetables. Okay, these carrots. Okay. Next, the seasoning. I have salt, sugar, soy sauce, broad seasoning. I have roiko, and white pepper. I have ladaku. Okay, and oil. Okay. Next, the tools is stove, frying pan, spatula, and then knife, bowl, plate, and spoon. Okay, let's to cook. First, slice onion, garlic, and chili like this. Second, put oil into frying pan. Okay, like this. Then light on fire on the stove. Okay. We wait until oil hot. Okay. Okay, next, put garlic, onion, and chili into the frying pan and stir until the scent comes out. Then put the carrot into the frying pan and stir. Next, add the noodles and add seasoning like salt, sugar, soy sauce, broad seasoning, and white pepper. Okay. I like white pepper and soy sauce. Then stir it up evenly. After all evenly mixed, we can light off the stove. Okay guys, next, put the fried noodles into the plate. Wow, it looks spicy and yummy. Okay, like this. Then we can add some topping. Here I have topping fried chicken and scrambled egg. Okay, add into the fried noodle, guys. Okay guys, finally fried noodles ready to serve. Okay, but I add some fried onion, guys. It's so good. This. Wow. Okay. Guys, fried noodle ready to serve. Okay, you can try this at home And I hope you like and enjoy my video. Okay, see you in next my video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.